Cards and wheels is a very interesting chapter and also very easy. Circle. This is called a circle. The point here is called center. The point which is here exactly in between is center. From the center, the distance from the circle is always same. That is called radius. Radius. Radius, center onto the circle. The distance is called radius. Any line joining 2 points on the circle. Line joining 2 points on the circle is called chord of the circle. It is called chord of the circle. Double to the radius. Double to the radius is called diameter. AB, line passing through center, is called diameter. Diameter is always double to the radius. So 2 into radius.
Good morning, sir.
2 into radius. Class started. Stop saying good morning. This is the boundary. This boundary is called circumference or perimeter of the circle.
Have this right?
I will tell you when you have to write. Just listen. All these topics already we discussed. I already shared when we are doing this in the class. Circle. What is the meaning of radius? What is called diameter? What is called chord? All these we already studied in the beginning when we did this chapter. Just I want to revise. Radius will be half of the diameter, or diameter is double the radius. The center point will be center. Only one center will be there for the circle. Line joining any 2 points is called chord. This is also a chord. This is also a chord. This is also a chord. You can have many chords. Among all the chords, the biggest chord is diameter. Diameter is also joining 2 points. So that is also called chord, but that is the biggest chord. Okay. These are the few basic things about circles, which already you know we discussed long back. Now, based on these concepts, I would like to share one Google form here. Let us try to answer this. Okay. Now you have to write the questions because this is the revision worksheet and majority of these questions will come in the exam. So revision for PT2, first chapter, cards and wheels, we are going to start. Okay. Look at the first question. Look at the first question. There is a circle, center is O, A is on the circle, OA is joined. What is the name of that line OA?
Radius.
Radius, correct. It is called radius. So first answer, you can write the question, start writing. Start writing this, revision work. Put the heading, revision work, and start writing in the notebook.
Okay, sir.
All these are very important.
Sir, we will have to draw that circle and do everything.
Yes, you have to draw the circle.
Sir, 1 minute.
How can you tell? You have to draw a rough circle. Rough circle, don't waste time.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, we can draw the circle with a compass.
You can draw with compass, or you can draw a rough circle. Use coin or bangle, something. Coin, bangle.
Sir, in exam paper, no, that's right, sir.
What, man? What is the doubt?
Exam paper, sir, this?
Not the exam paper, revision worksheet. This is not the exam
This
paper.
right, sir.
Exam chapter 20. This is the revision worksheet. Some of these questions may come in the exam.
Sir, will you send this revision worksheet?
This is not the worksheet. This is a Google form. I am not sending anything. This I am not going to send. That's why I am asking to do this.
1 minute, sir. Ma, you want the
Stop talking to your parents, mute yourself then.
okay.
Make it fast, it is a revision work. As fast you ask, we can do more questions. So this is the Google form and the revision worksheet. Some of these questions you can expect in the PT2 exam. So that's why I'm asking you to focus on these questions. Write all these questions. And what is OA in the figure?
Sir, answers also write, sir.
Huh?
Answers also write, sir.
Answers?
Write down, sir.
I'm not getting what is your doubt.
Sir is trying to say is we have to write the answers too.
Yes, only one answer. Don't write all three. You write the correct answer.
Okay.
After the question, write the correct answer only. The correct answer is radius. Don't write all three. Don't waste your time. Just write the question and the correct answer. That's all. These are the important questions of revision. You can expect some of these questions in the exam also. The first question is done. Can I move to second question?
Yes, sir. Sir. No, sir. No, sir.
First question I am writing
circle.
also. OA. OA is called radius. That's all. That's all you have to do. Second question.
Sir, second question answer is 1, sir. 1 center.
Every circle will have one center, only one center.
Sir, can you show the next question? Sir, first question. Sir, next question, sir. Second question we see, sir. Sir, this is the third one. Can you show the second question?
Second question is on the board.
Sir, third question answer is circle, sir.
Yes. Circle is called closed curve. Because
the longest part of the circle is
chord is a line, diameter is also a line. Only circle is called closed curve. Questions are there on the board with answers.
fourth one answer is diameter, sir.
Diameter is the longest line in the circle, longest chord in the circle.
Second one answer.
Huh?
Second one answer, sir.
Look at the board. Look at the board.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the second question?
There on the board. Circle can have how many centers? Circle can have that centers. Answer is only one center. It is a revision work. Means most of these questions will come in the exam. So you have to be very focused, concentrate, and write the question and choose the correct answer. If you are not getting the answer, wait, I will give the answer. So now 4 questions completed here. What is diameter? Diameter radius relation they are asking.
Sir, twice, sir.
Diameter is double.
Twice, double.
Double.
Sir,
Diameter is twice the radius.
sir,
Sir, sixth one answer is Jordan.
Diameter is twice the radius. What
sir, move, sir.
What is the name of the line which joins 2 points on the circle?
Chord, sir, chord.
Not chord, it is called as chord. Chord. H silent.
Okay, sir.
Parents, please keep silence.
Sir, it's from Navateja, sir. 4-3.
I no need to tell again and again that you have to mute when you are talking to your parents. And you should be always mute in the class. When you want to give the answer, unmute, give the answer, then again mute. It is not that your parents are talking in the house, all the recordings are coming here. You are running the TV, all this nonsense.
Sir, what is the third question? I cannot see clearly.
Which one?
Third one.
Still you are in third question, we are in sixth question. Still you are sleeping in class. Long back third class, third question is done. A dash is a simple closed curve. Which is a simple closed curve.
Sir, fifth one answer not clear, sir.
Sir, seventh one answer is 6 centimeters, sir.
Yes. Fifth question, sixth question already on the screen. If you can't see the board, look at the screen. Questions are there on the screen. You have to speed up. You are very slow. It is one mark questions only. Just write the question and wait for the answer. If you know the answer, write it. Otherwise, I will give the answer.
Sir, team management have 6 points.
Hmm? What is the doubt?
Sir, not straight.
Seventh one, diameter is given. What is radius? Radius is always half of the diameter.
Sir, 6.
Sir, eighth one answer is 14, sir.
Yes, eighth one correct.
Sir, give 7 question answer, sir.
Seventh question answer is there on the board.
6
Diameter is 12. Diameter is 12 means radius is always half of the diameter. So half of 12, 6 centimeter. Half of 12. Radius will be half of that. Eighth question. Eighth question opposite to this. Radius is 7 centimeters. Then what is diameter? It is double, 14. 14.
Sir, what is
Sir, write the 9th question, sir.
It is there on the screen.
sir 8th one complete, sir. 9th one also complete, sir.
Sir, ninth one answer is center, sir.
Diameter is the line which passes through the center. Diameter always passes through the center. Diameter always passes through center. Diameter always passes through center.
Two equal parts.
Exactly
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Very good. Very good. Who said that?
Tanmay Abhishek, sir.
Tanmay. Very good, Tanmay. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good.
Sir, can you show 8th question?
On the board. Diameter. Divide the circle into two equal parts. Always two equal parts. Semicircle, semicircle. Very good, Tanmay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you show the 9th question?
Ninth question is there on the board. Yeah, ninth question is there. I shared ninth question. Go through.
Sir, we cannot see clearly in your board, sir.
Then look at the screen. Ninth question is there on the screen.
See 11th question.
Now can you see the
Cannot
board? Is the board is visible now?
Yes, sir. Sir, 11th one over. Sir, T minus 1 10th one over, sir.
Look at the 11th question.
Right, sir. First,
One figure is given. So many lines are there in that. What is the name of DE?
Search on.
Not chord. It is called chord. Chord. H silent. H silent. Chord. CHORD. You have to call as chord. It is called as chord. CHORD. DE is called chord of the circle. Line joining any 2 points on the circle is always called as chord. 12th one is about same diagram. Same diagram. What is the name of SO? SO.
Radius, sir.
Yes. SO, right. Very good. Who said?
Tanmay Abhishek, sir.
Tanmay. Others, what you are doing? Be active. Only Tanmay is giving answers.
Sir, that is the answer, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
Google form send us, sir.
I will not send the Google form. This is not the exam, no revision work. I'm not going to send anything. That's why I'm asking you to concentrate and write. Questions are there on the
Okay,
screen. I'm writing questions and answers here. It is
Sir,
not the
first-
class worksheet, no to send.
13th question, sir.
13th one question is there here on the screen.
No, how, sir?
Sir, can I see the 11th and 12th question?
Huh? Which question?
12th
The 11th
12th question
questions
is,
figure.
12th question is same as the 11th question, which is there on the board.
Sir, the figure.
Same figure. 12th
I
question,
can't-
11th question, same figure. What is the name of SO? SO is called radius. Center to on the circle always radius. 12th one is radius. 13th one. Look at the circle, identify how many chords are there.
2 chords are there, sir.
Chord is a line which join 2 points on the circle. Okay. AB is one chord. Of course, diameter, but AB is one chord. Other chord is PQ. Only 2 chords are there, AB and PQ. AB and PQ, 2 chords are there. Number of chords, 2 chords are there.
Sir, can you show us 12th one question?
12th one is same as 11th one. I have told you to speed up, not slow. Again, I can't go back again and again. 12th one and 11th one both are same diagram. And diagram is there on the board. What is SO? SO is called radius. 13th one, how many chords are there in the circle? Look at the circle. Chord means line joining 2 points on the
Sir, show
circle.
me
That
the
is called
14th
chord.
one, sir.
What?
Show me the 14th one, sir.
Wait. Let others also do it. If it is completed, keep quiet.
Sir, and answer, sir.
Sir, can I tell the 14th one answer?
14th one, where is the question?
Sir, I can see the question down, sir.
But boundary in the
What is-
figure shown. Figure is not there, no? Yes.
Circumference, sir.
Circumference. 14th one.
Can you go? Sir, can you 10th answer?
Circumference. Circumference is called boundary of the circle, which is also called as perimeter. Circumference or perimeter. You can call in two ways, circumference or perimeter. Circumference or perimeter is called the boundary of the circle.
Sir, we could call it circumference or perimeter.
Yes, you can write anything. Answer is circumference here, so you have to go for circumference. If they give perimeter, that is also correct.
Okay, sir.
Boundary is always called as circumference.
Sir, answer, sir. I C M M F E R E M E circumference. Sir, 15th one.
Wait.
How many are, sir? How many members have total, sir?
What is your doubt?
Sir, he's asking
Sir,
me.
he
How
was
many
asking how many questions are there.
Whatever the number, nothing to do with that. Do one by one.
Okay, sir.
Fifteen. Which of the following can we use to trace a circle? If you want to draw a circle with just points.
Coin, sir.
Sir, 15th. W H I C H which of
Which of these can be used to draw a circle? Coin can be used.
Sir, what is the 16th one? That's 2.10 seconds.
16th, listen. 16th question is center of a circle always. Exterior means outside the circle. Interior means inside the circle. Center will be inside the circle or outside the circle?
Inside, sir.
Inside. So interior. Center is always interior to the circle. Interior means inside. Exterior means outside.
completed, sir.
Center is always inside the circle, interior of the circle.
Sir, 17th one answer is Kali, sir.
Sir, 17th one and
Sir, I first only tell that 17th one answer is Kali.
Yes.
Sir, what is the 14th one? I cannot see in the board.
14th one, boundary of the circle is called dash. Boundary of the circle is called circumference.
The 16th one.
Center is always interior of the circle. You have to look at the screen when it is shared. Navateja Sri, where is your camera? Navateja Sai. Camera should face you. Sri Charan, your camera is off. Why? Why the camera was off till now?
17th one.
Sri
Sir,
Charan, last
17th
class
one.
also I warned you. Why the camera was off till now? Sri Charan, why the camera was off?
Sir, 17th.
Sir, what is this 16 question answer, sir?
Interior, inside, center will be inside, interior.
Sir, what?
Abhilash, your camera is off.
16th one, sir. Sir,
16th one.
show me the 16th one, sir. Sir, 17th one.
Wait. Someone is sleeping. You want still 16th question. Very slow. D. Rishika, your camera is off. Tanish, your camera is off.
Sir,
show me the 18th one question, sir. Sir,
Wait.
show me the 18th one question, sir.
Wait. Don't ask. When it is done, you have to wait. Others, let them take.
Sir, show 15th one.
15th one is already over. 15th one is long back over. I can't show all the questions which are done already.
sir, show me 17.
Sir, show me 17th one.
Wait, don't shout. I have told you, don't shout.
Sir, what is that in the boundary of 2? I cannot see what is it clearly. In the 15th question, a boundary of 2.
Boundary of the figure. It is not 2. Boundary of the figure. Boundary of the figure is called circumference. Look at the 17th question on the board, on the screen. 17th question.
Kali is the answer, sir, of the 17th question.
Okay. 17th question. Lolly and Collie are tied to pole with ropes. Collie has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass? Long rope means they can move more distance. So Collie can look for more grass to eat, which can move more distance, which having more rope. So Collie is the answer. 17th one, Collie is the answer.
So we can go to next one.
Wait. Ganeshwar, your camera is off. In spite of my warnings, your camera is why still off? Ganeshwar, why your camera was off? No? How many times I have to tell you? Huh? We are doing the revision class, no seriousness, nothing. How can you sit in my class with camera off? Wait, I will remove you from my class. Okay? Don't come to my class if you want your camera to be off. Still his camera is off.
Sir, show 18th one.
Wait, don't ask me. Okay, 17th one completed. Then look at the 18th question. 18th and 19th both are here.
Sir, 18th one answer is 16 centimeter.
Diameter is given, radius means half of that.
Yes, sir. 16 to the 32.
Sir, what is the 17th question?
17th one is gone already.
So 19th one answer is 24 centimeter.
No. Radius is given. Diameter is double the radius.
Yeah, sir, I am telling that the diameter is about 20. No.
18th question, diameter is 32. Radius will be half of this. Half of 32, that is 16. 19th, radius is given. 19th question, radius is given as 48. They are asking what is diameter. Diameter is always 2 times the radius. So 2 into 48. 90,
Sir, 96 centimeter.
96, sir.
96 is the answer.
96.
Diameter means double the radius. Radius will be half of the diameter. One has to be
Sir,
very
19,
careful.
sir. The 19th question answer is 96 centimeters.
Yes, 96.
Okay, sir.
The answer is 96.
Sir, can you show me the 18th question?
Laptop not clear.
Aditi Pavan.
Sir, not clear, sir.
16 centimeters.
Sir, camera not clear.
Eighteenth one is there on the screen. 19th one also there on the screen. If 18, 19 are done, let us move to the 20th.
1 minute,
Yeah,
sir.
sir, let's move. Never mind, I already did it.
So 1 minute, sir.
What is the relation between radius and diameter?
Both, sir. Both.
Both, sir.
Both two.
Diameter is double the radius.
Both.
Diameter is 2 into radius, correct. It is radius plus radius, yes, correct. So both is the answer. Both are correct.
Sir, what is the 17th question?
17th question, long back over. Don't ask the previous questions I have told you. When I am showing the question on the screen, it should be active. Don't ask the
Sir,
previous
what is
question.
20th question answer, sir?
What is the doubt?
Sir, what is 20 question answer, sir?
Both are correct. First option is correct, second option is correct.
Sir, 19 answer.
Sir, 21. Sir, wait.
Somebody is talking.
Sir, show property 21.
Stop talking. Mute yourself. Stop talking. Don't ask for the next question. I will show the question. You have to wait. You have to wait. These are the 20 questions on cards and wheels. I will repeat once again. You have to be active in the class to copy the questions. If you don't maintain the momentum or speed, you will lose the question. I'm not going to send it again and again. When I show the question on the screen, you have to write immediately and think about the answer. Otherwise, I will give the answer. So these are the 20 questions about cards and wheels. Next.
Sir, question properly.
I have told you to stop talking. Listen to me. So this is about cards and wheels. I will show the questions again. 18, 17. I will share the screen here. You can copy. Those who completed can take a 10 minutes break. I'm going to continue the class because Hindi sir is on leave. Okay. So next class also mathematics. Don't leave the meeting. You can take a 10 minutes break and come back. Okay. 10 minutes break I'm giving. You have to come back so that we will start the revision of one more chapter, offs and quarters. Out of 4 chapters, cards and wheels revision is done. One more chapter revision also will be done today itself. Okay. So take a 10 minutes break and come back to the class. Don't leave the meeting. Don't leave the meeting. Minimize the window. Take a 10 minutes break. Eat something, drink something. Then come back by 9:55, not by 10.
Sir, leave up.
Hmm?
Leave a class.
Hindi sir is on leave. I am taking the maths class. I am going to continue this. So don't leave the meeting. Please be on the meeting. 10 minutes break I am giving.
Sir, we have to be back in 9:55.
Yes, 9:55 you have to be here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can we off our video for the break?
Yeah, you can switch off the video for 10 minutes. Switch off the video for 10 minutes. Yeah, welcome back. The earlier class cards and wheels, whatever I shared, that Google form already I shared in our math group. Those who are not able to complete the questions, they can copy it. Those who completed, they can try the Google form to know your score. Okay. Anyhow, tomorrow, second Saturday is holiday, then Sunday is a holiday. So 2 days holidays are there. If you want, you can try the Google form. Next topic is offs and quarters. Offs and quarters means sharing. Off of 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, shadings, numerator, denominator, fractions. This is also an easy one. So I would like to do some questions on this also in the class now. Hope all joined. Look at the questions one by one. I request once again, please be active and be fast. Yeah. Google form chapter offs and quarters. This also I will share after the class. So don't shout between. Start writing. First question. 3/4 is a fraction.
Sir, will you share this also?
I will share this also.
Sir, first question answer this third one. Numerator is equal
3/4
to
is a fraction.
denominator is equal to 4.
In 3/4, which is numerator, which is denominator? Numerator is the above one, denominator is the below one.
Sir, second one answer is 3/5.
Yes, sir. 3/5.
3/5. Already wrote before you gave the answer.
Sir, please show me the third one. Please show me third one.
Wait. Don't speed up. Let others also do it. When you have done, wait. Don't ask me for the next one. If I go for next one, students who are not able to done, they will ask again. Show the first question, show the second question. That irritates me. If you are done with the second question, wait. Patience is important. So all of you done with the first question? 3/4. Whenever a fraction is given, the above portion is called numerator, below portion is called denominator. First question, 3/4. Above is always called numerator, below one is called. Down is called denominator. That you have to remember, shortcut. Down portion is called denominator. Down starts with D, denominator starts with D. So down and denominator, remaining is the numerator. In the second question, how many parts are there? Among that, how many are colored? Out of 5, 3 are colored. So the answer is 3/5.
Sir, should we write all the 3
Yes.
questions?
No. Write only the answer. Write only the answer.
Okay.
1/4 of 72 is 1/4 of 72. 1/4 of 72 means this. 1/4 of 72. So you have to divide 72 by 4. Divisions you will learn. 4 1 4. 3 will be there. 32. 4 8 32. So answer is 32. 1/4 of 72. 1/4 means
What is right up?
off. 72 off, then it's off.
What is right up? What is right up?
1/4 of 72. Wait. 1/4 of
16,
72 is 18.
16.
18.
What is right up, sir?
What, man?
Yes.
This right up. 18.
18 is the right answer.
Third
1/4 of 72 is 18. It's the division here.
Sir, can you show the second question?
Sir, what is the fourth question?
Fourth question is there on the screen. Check the fourth one. Second question is there on the board. That is a problem. You always ask the previous question. Somebody ask the next question. All of you mute yourself. I will show questions one by one. You have to wait. Some people ask, what is the next question? What is the next question? Some people ask, what is the previous question? Wasting my time, irritating me. You have to maintain the speed. I'm giving enough time. Question is there on the screen for a long time. Question is there on the board also. Don't ask the next question.
Sir, fourth one answer is 20, sir.
Sir,
Sir, fourth one answer is 20.
sir, you done the division right, sir. 74
Quarter
divided
of
by
80.
72.
20, sir, 20.
Quarter of 80 means 80 by 4. 20. Half of 80 is 40. Half of 40 is 20. $80 by 4. 4 2 ja 8. So 20 is the answer.
Sir, the fourth question answer is 20.
Yes.
Okay.
Quarter of 80 is 20.
Sir, what is the answer? Third one?
Third one, 18.
18, 1 8.
ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ఆ బుక్ లో ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని రాయాలి.
Hey, mute yourself. Who is talking there?
Sir, fifth one.
Fifth one already I did here. Half of 98. Half of 98. So 98 divided by 2. Half of 98 means 98 divided by 2. So divide 98 by 2. You will get the result. Division already I shown on the board.
49, sir.
49, sir.
Don't shout. Answer is already there on the board. Answer already we got. So don't shout.
Sir, Sir, sixth one answer is 30, sir.
Yes, I got already. Don't shout. Fifth question of 98, so 98 divided by 2. Sixth question also I shown the answer here.
Sixth question answer is 30.
30 is the right answer.
Sir, seventh one answer.
Wait.
Okay, sir.
Complete the sixth question, all of you. Up to 6 questions if we do, then I will go.
Complete, sir.
If it is complete, keep quiet. I have told you not to shout. Let
Okay,
others
sir.
also take. Keep quiet.
Okay, sir.
Sir, seventh one answer is third one, 60 and 30.
Wait.
Sir, can I tell the answer of seventh one?
Wait. Sujay Naidu, stop doing drawing in my paper.
Sir, over.
Sixth question, I think it is completed. 3/4 of 40. 3/4 of 40 means 40. You have to make 4 parts. Out of 4, I said stop talking. 40, you have to make 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, 3 you have to choose. 3/4 of 40. That means 3/4 into 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 10 into 3 is 30. 40 making 4 parts. So 10, 10, 10, 10. 3 parts you have to choose. 3/4 means 10, 10, 10 will be 30. That is the sixth question. Now coming to the seventh one.
Sir, the seventh one answer is 24 and 6.
Stop talking. Let me talk. Seventh question, some numbers are given. You have to guess the next number. That is not important. The question is a quarter of dash is dash. 3 options are there. Among 3 options, there are 2 numbers. First number is a big number. Second one is a small number. You have to check quarter of the first number is giving the second number or not. Quarter means 1/4. 24 and 16. Quarter of 24 is 16. Is it correct? 24 half is 12. Half of 24 is 12. Again, half of 12 means 6, not 16. 24, if you make half, 12 and 12. Again, half of 12 will be 6. So first one is not correct. Second one is correct. Quarter of 24 means half of 24, then again half. Quarter means 2 halves, half and half. Third option is not correct because 60 is given. Half of 60 will be 30 and 30. If I make again half, that means quarter, 15 will be the answer. So second one is correct, third one is not correct.
Sir, 24 and 6 is the right answer.
24 and 6 is the right answer. Because quarter of 24 is 6. Quarter means 1/4, making 4 parts. That means 24 divided, quarter means nothing but divide by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So second option is
Sir, clear notes are grammar.
somebody shouting something not clear. If you're not able to tell, give in the chat box what is your doubt. Don't disturb the class. Quarter means divided by 4. Simple logic. 3 options are there. 24 divided by 4 is 16. Not correct. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Correct. Second one is the right option. That's all. So very simple question. Quarter means divided by 4. Stop talking. Look at the 8th question. Very simple. Write the fraction of the following. Which portion is colored? How many parts are there? Among that, how many are colored?
7.
7 are colored out of 8 parts. 7 by 8 is the right answer.
7 by 8. Colors. 7. 1.
7 divided by 8 is the right option.
7/8.
7 divided by 8. Seven by 8. 7 parts are colored, 1 part is not colored. So 7 by 8 is the option. Seven parts are colored out of 8. This is also same as 7th question. Half of dash is half of. Half means division.
Sir, 60 and 30, sir.
Yes, correct. 24 off. It is given 24 off is 16. Not correct. 24 off is 30, which is impossible. 60 off of 60 is 30. Off means divide by 2. You have to divide the big number by 2. See what happens. If the first one, off of 24 is actually 12, but not there in the option. So you can leave it.
Tenth one answer is 32, sir. Flower, 32 flowers, sir.
Yes. In the 10th question, you have to divide 64. You have to share 2 members equally.
32 flowers to one member and 32 flowers to second member.
Yes, correct, correct. (64) dividing into 2 parts. 64 divided by 2. Half each means you have to make 2 equal parts. Half of them.
Sir, 10th one answer.
32. Half of 64. You have to try. Don't ask the answer. It's a revision class. You have to do. If you are not getting, then you have to ask me.
Sir, show me 9th question. 11th answer is 41.
Sir, 11th one answer
Sir,
is
what
40.
is the answer of 9th question?
Sir, show 9th question.
Sir, 9th question.
Eleventh one, 82. Out of 82, half are men, half are women.
Sir, 41.
Sir, what is the answer to the 9th one, sir?
Ninth one, half of 60 is 30.
Sir, can you show 9th question?
Ninth question is there on the board.
Sir,
Half of 60 is 30.
we cannot see clearly, sir.
Half of 60 is 30. Akshara, you have to mute yourself, ma.
Sir,
what is the 10th one answer?
10th one answer. Try half of 64. They are asking what is half of 64. Divide 64 by 2. You will get the answer. Half of 64. Half of 64 is 32. Reshwan, stop playing. Look at the class. Reshwan, stop playing. What are you doing in the class, huh? Why you are playing in the class? Tenth one, 64 divided into two parts, two equal parts.
Sir,
means
12th
64
one.
divided by 2. Wait. Don't ask the next question. I have told you clearly.
Sir, 12th one.
I have told you not to ask the next question. Who is again asking? I have told you not to ask the next question. Who is asking the next question? Tell me. I will remove him in class. Who is asking the next question? 11th one. 11th one also I did on the board. Those who can't copy this. It is very simple. Out of 82, half of the persons are men, half are women. So 82 you have to divide into two parts. 82 divided by 2. 41 and 41. Forty-one are men, 41 are women.
Half, sir. 2 quarters make half.
2 quarters make half. See, it is very simple. This is full. This is half and half. These are quarters. Quarter. 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 2 quarters will make 1 half. 2 quarters will make half. Two quarters will make half. Twelfth and 13th. 2 quarters will make half. 13th one, 2 halves. Half and half will make whole or full.
sir, full, sir. 13
Okay, sir.
answer is full. Sir, 13 one answer is full, sir.
Two halves will make whole or full.
Well, sir.
Hole, sir. To have a snake hole.
Yes.
Sir, 12th one answer.
13th one answer is whole.
Sir, 14th one answer is four parts, sir.
Hmm?
14th one answer is 4 parts.
Not 4. 5 by 9. What is the meaning of 5 by 9? Out of 9, 5 colored. So 5 parts colored out of 9.
Sir, 13th one in the answers there is no option of whole. So we have to write the answer whole.
Why 13th one whole is there? No.
Okay, sir.
13th one full means whole, everything. Five by 9 means 5 parts out of 9.
Sir, you have written wrong. 5 have to up, no?
Hmm?
5 have to up. Denominator will be bigger than numerator, sir.
Which question?
15th question. You have written on the board, no, sir.
6 by 5 of 25, no?
Yeah, sir.
6 by 5 of 25. Of means multiplication. 6 by 5 into 25. 25, 5 cancellation is done. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. 25 divided by 5 is done. 6 5 ja, 30. That's the answer. What is wrong in that?
Sir, what is answer is 14 one, sir?
14th one.
Yes.
5 by 9. What is the meaning of 5 by 9? Out of 9 parts, 5 are colored. So 5 parts of 9. Answer is 5.
Sir, in the 15th question, the answer is 30.
30. 6 by 5 of 25. Of means multiplication. 6 by 5 into 25. 25 in the numerator, 5 in the denominator, they get cancelled. 5 5 are 25. So denominator 5, numerator 25 gets cancelled. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 6 into 5 will be 30.
Okay, sir.
Sir, show me 16 one, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, show me 16th one, sir.
Yeah, 15th one is there.
Sir, they're asking the 16th.
one, sir.
16, sir. 16, sir.
Sir,
I have told you not to ask the next question. If you ask the next question, I will remove you from my class. Let others also complete. If it is done, wait.
Sir, 15th one answer is what, sir?
6 by 5 of 25. Calculation is there on the board.
Sir, 250 ml, sir.
1/4 of a liter. 1/4 of a liter. Liter means 1000 ml. 1/4 of a liter. 1/4 of 1000 ml. Liter means
Sir, 250 ml.
250 ml, sir.
half liter will be 500. Again, half of that will be 250 ml. 1000 ml. 250, 250, 250, 250.
Sir, 17.
So 1000 ml, if you make 4 parts, 250, 250, 250, 250.
Sir, 17th question answer is the 750 ml, sir, of a liter.
3/4 of 1 liter. 3/4
Means
of 1 liter means out of 4 parts, you have to group 3 parts.
250 plus 250 plus 250 is equal to 750 ml.
750.
sir, that's the 17th question.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the answer? I cannot see the board very clearly, sir.
Which one?
Where you-
16th or 17th?
17th.
750 ml.
750 ml.
750. 750. Who is that idiot singing songs in the class? Who is that?
Sir, 100 rupees note.
100 rupees, no. How many 5 rupee notes? How many 5 rupee notes? Means
100 into
500
5 is
divided
equal
by
to
5.
500.
We need the change for 500 rupees. Change in terms of 5 rupee notes. So how many 5 rupee notes we can get? 500 divided by 5, that will give 100 notes.
Sir, not 100 notes, 500 notes. Sir.
Why 500 notes?
If we divide, if
500 divided by 5. 500 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. Over. Hundred notes. 500 divided by 5. Simple, no?
Sir, show me the questions.
Sir, 5 stars are in red color.
Yes. 1/4 of. Quarter means divide by 4. Divide by 4. Out of 20 stars, quarter are colored in red. Quarter means
5
1/4.
stars, sir.
1/4 means divide by 5. 1/4 means always divide by 4. Half means divide by 2. Look at the last question.
Sir, 16 rupees, sir. 16 rupees.
16 rupees, sir.
How half kg tomato, 1 kg 8 rupees. Half kg, how it will be? Half kg means half of that. Divide by 2.
Sir, in my mobile, it's not there charging, sir.
Half kg tomatoes cost.
Good.
Sir,
Tomato cost is given as 8 rupees. Half kilo means half of 8. 8 divided by 2. Half of 8 is 4 rupees. Everyone knows that answer. Half of 8 is very easy.
So we have to draw this chart.
sir, could you show me the 19th question?
Total chart not necessary to draw. You can write only cost of tomato 8 rupees. That is enough. Total chart is not required.
Okay, sir.
Suppose in the same chart, what is 3/4 kg of potatoes? Next question. Potatoes, 3/4 kg of potatoes.
Sir,
Sir, 9 rupees, sir. Sir, rupees 9.
Okay, let me check.
10 rupees, sir.
Potato 12 rupees. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. So 3 3 ja 9 rupees. Correct. Completed. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's all for today, class. Thank you for your patience. 2 chapters we were able to complete. I will share this also Google form to you. You can try both the Google forms. Tomorrow I will share one more Google form on other chapters. We have 2 more chapters left. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nice weekend. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Thank you
Sir,
for attending both the classes.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.